beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of Crafting with Shanita. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I assembled this beautiful high chair banner with just a few items. I created the banner in Cricut Design Space and I assembled everything with some ribbon and chiffon. Let's get started. So for the banners themselves, I like to attach my banners using a balloon stick. I usually get the balloon sticks from Dollar Tree or Walmart. And what I like to do, I like to place them on the back of the banner so I don't have to place any holes in my banner. And I just hot glue it. And I cut equal pieces for each banner that I use. And normally I will use fishing line to thread through the balloon sticks, but today I'm just going to use some yarn. So I went ahead and added some curly ribbon instead of that fishing line, and I'll show you later on towards the end of the video. So all I'm going to do is with a little needle at the end of that curly ribbon, I'm just going to thread it through that balloon stick. A lot of room, a lot of ribbon, so that way I have extra and it's enough, and rather have more than not enough. For the high chair itself, I've already measured. Here I'm just measuring around the high chair table. That way I have enough ribbon for the foundation piece. And then I'm just going to use some ribbon as my base. And I'm going to make a pattern with the additional ribbon I purchased. I'm going to use a lot of tulle and ribbon to make it nice and full. So what I want to do is I want to make sure that the banner looks good right in front. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the first layer be the chiffon and the ribbon. And then once I'm happy with the design, I'm going to add the banner right on top. And everything that I use today, I will have it in my Amazon storefront. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description box below. I'm going through and adding it, interchanging the colors until I'm happy with the way everything looks. Now that I'm happy with the way it's coming out, I'm going to go ahead and add that banner right on top, and then I'll fill in any gaps and spaces with more ribbon and chiffon. How I'm going to add the banner is I'm just going to unravel a few of the ribbon and just feed the banner through until it's nice and secured. This came out so beautiful. I really enjoy making this high chair banner, and it did not take much time at all. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned a little bit or a lot, and we cannot wait to see you on the next video of Crafting with Shanita. Happy crafting!